Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you a very simple and easy 3 ingredients peanut butter cookie recipe. So let's get started. So for this recipe you require half cup of caster sugar, then 1 egg. Peanut butter that you're using can be crunchy or creamy. Here I'm using crunchy peanut butter. Take all the ingredients into a large bowl. Blend the ingredients using a whisk or a hand blender till it combines. This should be the consistency of your batter. You should be able to make balls with it. Mold it using your hands in the shape of cookies. Now press the fork on the cookies to make this design on them. Once you're done with it, you can garnish your cookies with some peanuts. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once you are out of the oven, let them cool completely and then you're done with it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. Hit the like button and I'll see you in my next video.